Good morning, guys. I'm here again, Sheila, your friend. Now, this video, I'm going to show you how I treat my hair in the house. I don't usually go to salon to make a rebonding or straighten my hair or do some treatment. I only go once a year to cut my hair, and the rest is in the house. Okay, my hair is all natural. Okay, I never rebond, never have straight like that. So I do it. I always do in the house. Okay, first I show you how I treat my hair in the house. First we need this one, power of eggs. So depend on your hair length. Mine, I mean, maybe I need 4 or 3, like that, depend. Okay, eggs, and then honey, only 1 spoon, or depend on you. Okay, me, I think 1 spoon only. And this oil, depend on your year. You can use olive oil, pure olive oil, or argan oil. But I use this one, the Portuguese one, the oleo de rosino. This is also good, just like olive oil or argan oil or whatever, depend. Okay, so now we'll do it. You need something, but me, I always do this. I break the egg, only egg yolk. Okay, the yellow one. Okay, the yellow one, you need the yellow only. Okay, you remove the yellow egg, and then you put on your here. Depend on you. Okay, how many eggs you need in your hair, if long or short, depend. Me, maybe I put 4, so that will, the more the better. It's not too much. Too much is not good, right? So not too much. But I want to soak my hair with egg, yellow egg, and like that. Sorry for my braso, okay, because I'm fat now. Okay, this already, it's for you. So you need to mix with, okay, you need to mix with this one, or eggs, and then I put some spoon of, maybe 2 teaspoon. Okay, maybe 2, yeah, for me. Next is yeah, that one, because my hair now is shorter. So next is this for the, okay, and then it's already the oil and the egg. Now I put some honey. It's a pure honey. Okay, maybe 1 spoon, like that, and then you mix. Okay, next is okay. Now next is you have to mix. Mix. You have to mix well. Look at that. Mix with honey, and the oil. Acai is the best. Acai or the olive oil is the best. Yeah, that directly, and then you can put directly with the comb in your hair, you know, using your brush, comb your hair. But so that I'm safe, I always put this one here. Yes, I put inside. So that is easier for me to do on my hair. Don't mess up like that, you know. But you can just, and here you go, right? Okay. And again, you can cover and cover like here, there, and mix well, and then ready to apply. So you don't need to, I don't need to wet my hair. I go directly, put directly this one to my hair before I take a bath. So I leave this, depend on you, 1 hour or 30 minutes, depend on you. Maybe I will leave this for 1 hour, like that. I usually leave 1 hour sometimes, and then you have to do like that to your hair, only like that from here, like that. You can use your, like that. Sorry for my brush, okay. And for my armpit, it's not so white, like that. And then I like to put in my scalp so that will be, your scalp will be healthy because of the olive oil and the olive oil, the honey, and it's okay. You don't need like that, like that. Like that. Right. Better you don't wear nice clothes, because me, I'm in my pajama. Okay, like that. This first here is 4x, right? Maybe when you have a long hair, you can use 10. Before I use many, but I use this only for maybe twice a year, like that, because I'm busy with my long hair. Before, I always do this like that. And then you have to massage like that, you know, so that you will go to your roots, the scalp. Look, it's good, this one, because you don't need to get, and I I saved this when I asked my friend who worked in if she has a bottle, so he gave me this bottle. He only gave me this bottle. It's good for the to put something in your hair. Yeah, this one is good. Maybe it's not enough full, right? Because my hair is very thick. Wait to cabello. Like that. Like that, right? Like that. Only eggs. You remember eggs? Honey. Pure honey. Don't use the sugar honey, okay? It's a pure honey. Use pure honey or pure olive oil. And eggs. This eggs is very bio. I use bio eggs. Like that. So sticky, but it's good. More. Important is the scalp, you know. So I do like that here. I need to press. And maybe it's stuck already, mic. So I need to change these two. This one, wait, I will get remove this. So yeah, it's stuck. So I need to change to another lid. This better maybe. Don't stuck. Yeah, maybe it's better. There's another one. Okay. Like that. To put like that. Here. Do like that. All over. Now I feel that. Like that. Sorry for my armpit. All over your hair. You can leave for 1 hour or an hour or 30 minutes if you're in a hurry. 30 minutes like that. Like that here. Like that. And here again. There you go. Oh, you have to finish so that it will. And then you put all in your hair. So you will do this in the morning so that before you go to bath or shower. Like that, no more. Like that. And then I got you like that. So sticky. So sticky. If you have a long hair, you have to tie your hair after, or you put a shower cup like that, and then you have to massage your hair like that. Oh my god, you have to massage like that. Massage. Don't wear any rings so that it's easier. I tried it. So good to my hair to relax. Yeah, that's my treatment. And then you leave this for 1 hour. I do like that. Only. Oh, I forgot to get my clip in the hair. Like that only, guys. You have to leave this for for 1 hour or depend on you. And then after 1 hour you can take a bath. Like that only. It's sticky, but you have to tie your hair. You can make the shower cup or the to cover for 1 hour, and then you do your thing 1 hour, and then you take a bath. You do your shampoo and your conditioner or whatever. But usually me, I only use shampoo to remove, and after that no more conditioner. Just only sometimes I only use conditioner. That's only, guys. That's egg, honey, and oil. Okay, depend on you what oil you like. Olive oil, argan oil, oil this rosino. This is a Portuguese I use. So it's good, the olive oil, guys. Okay, guys, that's all I want to share you, and I will show you the after. Okay, now you have to do that in your home. And I'm just sharing you my treatment. I don't go to salon. I only do by myself. My nails, I don't ask someone to do my nails or like that. Only by myself. Guys, sorry guys, because I'm getting stronger, right? So sorry for my armpit and my arms bigger. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you for the support, and have a great day. I'm These days I don't go to work. This is my rest day, so I do this one. But when I go back to work, it's less videos, but I try to upload. Okay, guys, thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. You can follow also me in Kumu, in my TikTok, in my Instagram, and Facebook. I'm not so active in Facebook. Okay, guys, thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, and keep safe and pray always. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.